Hey guys, FLEXIMOUNT sent us this overhead garage rack to try out on the Homestead. And there will be a link in the pinned comment and there will be a link in the description. And if you decide to get one, which I can tell you we really like it, that it will help support the Homestead. Hey everyone, I'm Mike. Welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. I hate to admit this, but simple fact of life, if you look in the dictionary for unorganized, that's me. I am horrible at organization, and this garage proves it. It is a nightmare in here. I spend half my time looking for stuff. So the shelves that you see, that's all Carrie. She's the one who actually brought the shelves out here and put stuff on them. Now, she has no rhyme or reason where anything goes, but at least it's on a shelf, right? It's not in a pile. Well, hopefully today we're going to alleviate some of that clutter with this guy right here. See, look, wherever I'm done, I just shove stuff. Can you see me? Yeah, right here. Anyways, here it is. It's heavy. It is the, dang it, come on, get in the picture. FLEXIMOUNT GR48B. It's 4 feet long. Or no, it's 4 feet high and 8 feet long. This is not a shelf. This mounts to my ceiling. Okay? So we're going to put it right up in that space up there. All right, so like I said before, it's a model GR48B made by FLEXIMOUNT and holds up to 600 pounds. And it's height adjustable from 22 to 40 inches. So let's get this thing opened up. Look at that. I even knew where that was. This is the hardware. Yes. Oh, look at that. Check out how the hardware is packaged. That is awesome. No miserable bags. They even give you an Allen wrench and a little wrench, but honestly, I'll probably just use some real tools. And then here are the lags. They give you the lags to go into your ceiling joist. All right. I just wanted to show you. So it goes together like this, and then it uses these Allen screws, but no nuts. Let me show you right here real quick, then we'll get back to putting this thing together. So these things are threaded. So then these come in from this direction, those go into that direction, and then those two will go here and here, wherever each end. That's how that works. That's kind of nice. You don't have to screw around these nuts. guys, so this is all put together. Pretty easy. You'll need a quick clamp of some sort. I don't know if you can see that in the time lapse, but you definitely have to have a quick clamp, because what happens is when you tighten these center guys down, they kind of like, you know what I mean? They fold up a little bit when you tighten them. So to get these guys on, you need to squeeze them down, because these will fit, but these won't. So there it is.
All right, so the FLEXIMOUNT installation is coming along. So these are the brackets. Apologize for the lighting. It's very gloomy, rainy, and
send us some new lights.
So there's 6 brackets. So excited to get this up. We just have stuff stacked everywhere. Here's the rack itself. Very nice. All right, all the brackets are in. There's 6 total, 3 for each side. And then the shelf will sit on these, and each one of these goes a different way. So we're almost there. So exciting. I can't wait to reorganize for the millionth time. Good job, hon.
We'll see how this goes.
All right, let us get it up.
All right, I'm going to try to stick this up there to you, and then you're going to have to just hang on to it till I get the ladder over and get over here and set.
Okay.
I think. So this is big.
You just have to hand it up to me the correct way.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's freaking heavy. Okay, just set it right there, I think. Let's put this right there.
You sure?
Yeah. You got it?
Yeah. You sure you don't want me to bring it up here the whole way?
No, I want to get the ladder in place.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Oopsie. All right. We're going to have to figure this out. All right. All right, ready?
Well, I was going to say, do you want me to try to get these 2 ends on?
No, we're going to have to get up here.
And then bring the ladder.
Oop, hang on to it there, chick. All right, you ready?
Yep, watch your shoulder.
Yep. We're going to flip it on this.
Okay.
All right. All right, so go ahead and get yours in. Yep. Got it?
I think.
Okay. Now, just... okay. All right, that's good.
Do you want me to come down there? And...
Nope, I got it. Holy shnikes. Okay. Now...
Okay.
All right, that's awesome.
Oh.
Now we get to pick what we're going to put up there. boy. Here comes the weather. I probably can't see him. Ruger is laying out there between the Jeep and the side by side. Yeah, I'm talking about you, old man. You can come in here. Lay on your carpet. Come on, old man. All right, guys. Here is what we've got. Sorry for the lighting. Any company wants to send me some awesome lights, they can do that. But there she is. All the stuff that I kind of need but don't need right away. So I got my 2 suitcase generators. Got that old Honda 2200. My syrup pan and the flue is up there. These are rods from my tent. We're not going to take that thing apart. It is a major pain in the ass. So we're just going to sturdy it up a little bit with some 2x4s and carry it out there and set it. But we're not done, obviously. But so we put stuff that we can reach handily. This really works out nice in this location. So you just stand there. So I don't use my table saw all the time. So and it's light. I can just put it there. So, yeah, I'm really happy with this thing. And I don't know how long it took me, a couple hours. I mean, it's an erector set, but it went together really easy. You need a 13 millimeter, an Allen wrench. They provide an Allen wrench and a 13 millimeter, but, you know, I just used the 13 millimeter on my POS Ryobi Impact. And then you can see I did the perpendicular mounts. You can do it either way. Technically you could do it either way. It doesn't really matter. What else? Everything lined up, which is awesome. You know, these things are usually just stamped out pretty quick, but everything is threaded. So you don't really have any nuts on the inside. But I really like it. I'm really pleased with it. And I really want to thank them for sending this to me. FLEXIMOUNT. There's going to be a link for an affiliate link for us. I think we get a little bit. I'm not sure. Carrie's the one that handles all this stuff. I'm the guy who puts it together. So, but yeah, I'm super happy. It definitely, all this stuff is like a one-person deal. Just give you a quick thing here. I just measured off of that seam and then measured there, lined them all the way up. Did the same on the other side. You can see that this one's kind of crooked, but are you comfortable? Good Lord there, dog. Oh, don't let me disturb you. So, I don't know. I guess if I would have flipped that, maybe it would be okay. But, yeah, I'm super happy with it. It's very sturdy. Depending on how much weight you would put up there, I would say, you could probably put a 4x8 sheet of plywood on there and it would make things a lot easier to slide. Or like a 4x8 sheet of OSB, even 1/4 inch would make it so you could slide stuff easier. But I am super happy with it. Super happy. Thanks again, FLEXIMOUNT, and we will catch you on the next one.